Okay, everybody, so let's move on to a few more problems, and this will allow us to explore some of the aggregate functions that allow us to get totals and things like that. Or now we're basically manipulating some numbers from the records in the castle. So in the castle table. So let me just go back to the castle table very quickly, and we see this here, this column, the annual visitors that apparently visit that castle each year. So let's go to this problem. It says select the name, country, and total number of visitors for those castles that get 1 million or more visitors each year. Sort from highest number of visitors to lowest. So we've got a couple of things going on here. We're only interested in 1 million or more visitors. Not all castles have that many. And when we get the results, we're going to sort them in descending order with the highest number of visitors first. So basically, let's see, what did we, we want the name, country, and number of visitors. So let's go back to our, okay, so we have name, country, we know what those column names are, and then annual visitors all together, one word. So let's do that. We'll say, how about that? Why don't we start this? You see how useful it is to have an existing statement that you can work with. Okay, so we have select name, country, annual visitors. We're careful with our typing, from castle. Now we said we're only interested in castles where the number of visitors is greater than or equal to 1 million, basically. So over 1 million or more, I think the problem said. So we're selecting those columns from castle where annual visitors is greater than or equal to 1 million. Okay? So that'll do it. You know, if students make a mistake here, it's usually getting the sign wrong. And basically what you always have to remember is the alligator wants the bigger meal. Okay? So we're looking at greater than or equal to 1 million. So 1 million is the smallest possible meal here. The alligator is turning away from it and looking for something greater. Okay? So let's see how it goes. Oh, I'm in the table view here. Now, again, closing the table, back to SQL view. Oh, you know what? We forgot the sort. Okay, you know what? I think I will get this on the next line. You see, it's kind of typical. You'll see your book using the where clause on a new line, and that's fine. The white space should not matter. So it's where annual visitors is greater than or equal to 1 million, and we order by annual visitors. Watching my typing. And we want a descending order, so we're going to throw that in. Because ascending order is the default. So if you want to sort ascending with the lowest amount of visitors first, you really don't have to put anything, or you could do something like that. But we definitely want descending order based on this problem. So let's run this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, here, this Durham Castle, 1 million visitors. This one at the top with 6 million visitors, and you can see they are in descending order. Okay.